Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're going to talk about a product that promises to take your brows from good to great in just a few simple strokes. The Tarte Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel. If you're someone who's always on the lookout for a brow product that's long-lasting, smudge-proof, and sweat-proof, this one might just catch your attention. Now, let's dive into what makes this brow pencil stand out from the crowd. The Tarte Big Ego Sketch and Set comes in a medium brown shade that offers a natural finish, perfect for those who want bold brows without the heavy, overdone look. It's a double-ended tool, so you get both a brow pencil and a tinted gel in one, which is really convenient for quick touch-ups on the go. The pencil itself is designed for precision, allowing you to fill in your brows with natural-looking strokes that mimic real hair. The formula is smooth and glide on, so it doesn't tug or skip during application. The tinted gel, on the other hand, helps set the brows in place while adding volume for that full, well-groomed look. The beauty of this product is in the blend of both items. You can sketch out your brows with the pencil and finish them off with the gel for added definition and hold. In my personal experience, I've found the pencil easy to use, especially when I need to be quick with my makeup routine. The gel side really does a great job of locking the hairs in place without making them feel stiff or crunchy, which is something I really appreciate. I used it throughout the day and was pleased to see that it lasted. No smudging or fading, even in warm weather. It's definitely a product that keeps up with your day. Of course, it's not without its small quirks. The pencil is quite fine, which can be a pro for precision, but it does mean that you'll need to be careful not to press too hard, as it could break. The gel is tinted, but if you're looking for something to fill in sparse areas fully, you might need a little extra pencil work to get the fullness you want. So, let's break it down. The pros? The double-ended design is super convenient. The pencil offers natural-looking strokes, and the gel does an excellent job of keeping everything in place without feeling too heavy. Plus, the product really is smudge-proof and sweat-proof, which is great for all-day wear. Now, the cons. The pencil could be a bit more sturdy. I found myself being a little cautious when applying it because of the fine point. Additionally, while the gel is great for hold, it might not provide enough coverage for those with very sparse brows. When it comes to value for money, the Tarte Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel does pack a punch. You're getting both a pencil and a gel for a reasonable price, and the quality is pretty impressive, especially for a product that performs well under various conditions. Compared to other brow products out there, it sits somewhere in the mid-range price-wise, but I think it's a good value considering the convenience and performance. In terms of build quality, the pencil is lightweight and easy to handle, but the plastic casing could feel a bit flimsy for some. The gel tube, however, feels solid and sturdy. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable, you might want to try the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Pencil, which has a similar fine tip for precision. However, the Tarte product holds an edge with the added gel for longer wear and a more polished finish. To sum it up, the Tarte Big Ego Sketch and Set Brow Pencil and Tinted Gel is a solid brow product that delivers on its promises. If you're after a natural, yet defined brow look that lasts all day, this is a great option. It's perfect for anyone who values convenience and doesn't want to deal with reapplying their brow makeup halfway through the day. If you found this review helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find us too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you've tried this product, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.